This episode was recorded in front of a live studio audience.
Bum bum ba-da-da-dum, ba-da-da-dum, bum bum bum.
Yo, so I'm getting ready to get my boy Kevin up in here so we could do this. Guess it's an interview for the inspiration for his thing. I don't guess that's him. This is kind of a video vlogging thing. It's open.
What's up, bruh? How you been? I got the controller. You filming this?
Yes. What the are you wearing? I was thinking about vlogging this, but I guess this is kind of where we're going.
Yeah, I got this controller. You know, I talked about it all day.
Yeah, you called me and said something about a meeting after this?
Yeah, I got this meeting I gotta go to. But hold up. I got the controller right here. Look at this. You're filming, right? Hold up.
You want me to get a close-up?
Yeah, do that. Ready? Pow! Right in the kisser.
Oh, that does look dope.
Yeah, look at that. Stussy? Alright, let's unbox this. This is like one of those unboxing videos.
Yeah.
Okay, we need music.
I got some tracks set up already. I got this remix everybody likes over here.
Okay, YouTube and Instagram, maybe Twitter, whatever. K-Noon the artist reveals the Chosen One controller to the world. Bada.
Oh, that's actually kinda hot.
Yeah, bro, I spent like 24 hours on this thing. I forged it, or whatever.
Okay, let's slow down. What are you wearing? Is this that meeting you're going to?
What meeting? Oh yeah, it's a meeting, not a party. Otherwise I would have invited you.
Well, guess that's it, guys. The Chosen One controller is up for sale.
No, it's free.
Free?
I mean, you get a chance to win it for free. Just subscribe to the video and tag a friend. The winner will be randomly chosen on July 14th. You heard right. Win this free custom controller on July 14th. All you have to do is follow 40 Flying Fish on Instagram and tag a friend on this exact IG post.